What's going on, everybody? Matt Steinman here. I'm super pumped for this video just because this is the platform that has actually earned me the most money as an affiliate marketer in the past month and a half than in recent time that I can remember. So I'm going to show you how I've been generating income, leads, YouTube subscribers over the past 6 weeks, creating these quick 15 to 60 second videos. I'm going to share my phone with you here in a second, but this is mainly for affiliate marketers or, network marketers. If you're in some MLM space where you want to drive people to your offer to create sales, to generate some income, this is the method that I've been using. There's a plethora of ways to actually generate money online, but for me, it's affiliate marketing. So I'm going to run through some of the things that I'm doing. I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty of, how I'm creating videos and stuff, but just kind of a general overview of how I'm driving traffic to my landing page and generating sales. So let's jump into my phone here. This is the profile page. If you already have a TikTok account, this should look pretty familiar to you. You have your name, your profile picture, your handle, how many videos you've created. You see, ever since December 1st, I have 118 videos. You have your YouTube link, your Instagram link. So the key thing there is to drive people if you are trying to build your YouTube channel. You see there up at the top line of my bio, it says YouTube tricks with a finger pointing up right to the YouTube subscribe button. So I'm driving a lot of traffic over there as well. And then the next two lines, I've kind of been playing with that. You can kind of switch it out once a week. I don't know exactly what the TikTok algorithm likes just yet. So I'm kind of playing with that to see how it kind of relates to the views on my videos and stuff like that. So just play with those two lines. But the top line, I recommend, doing something about YouTube. You can change that verbiage, pointing up to it. And then the last line there, you can see inside my videos and usually in the comments if I am doing an offer, which I usually do an offer maybe once or twice every 10 videos. The other videos I'm just providing value, tips and tricks on marketing stuff. So don't provide too many offers to your audience, provide value and these sales will come. So what you want to do inside that link, unfortunately, you can't have users click on that link. They pretty much have to type it into their own browser. So you want to make a short URL there. You can use a link shortener if you want, but I created a separate domain just for the landing page for TikTok. But mine is talkvids.com. I'm going to jump into it right now just to kind of give you a glance at what it looks like. So you want to make sure this page is mobile optimized. 99% of people on TikTok are going to be using the app, right? It's a mobile app. They're not on their desktop searching TikTok. So you want to make sure it's mobile optimized. And if you guys are interested in getting this template from me, just comment down below and I will provide you with a share template for this page. And you can add your own affiliate links, your own offers, whatever you're promoting inside this page. So here is the first offer I have right now. It's the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing for $1.99. If they click on that link, it's going to take them over to a sales page. The second one is the 15-day online business builder challenge, where again, they can click on this link, takes them to a sales page. The third one here is the core, which is an elite group of digital and affiliate marketers where they can join. It's a membership where I get affiliate commissions from. All three of these are affiliate commissions. That's where I'm driving people to. I talk about these things inside the videos that I'm sharing on TikTok. I also have a list that I just started the other day, free resources. So if I create some templates or any valuable resources that I can share to my audience for free, I'm going to add them here. There's also a section for paid resources. As you can see here, there is an affiliate link for funnel scripts where I earn a commission. If you guys are familiar with Clickfunnels and funnel scripts, that's a pretty fairly expensive program to where you can earn I think it's a $300 or $400 commission on funnel scripts. So these are all softwares and programs that I use. So I can talk intelligently about them in my videos. Down here are the book recommendations. Right now, the book recommendations I have are all the Russell Brunson books. So .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Jim Edwards Copywriting Secrets. So again, these are all affiliate links to the book offers. this is how you're going to generate some income with TikTok, right? So this last section here is top TikTok videos. You can see I just added, I think there's like 6 or so here, just to kind of give people an overview. Obviously, they can go right back to TikTok and view the videos, but these are the videos with the most views. So again, if you guys are interested in this page, it's built with drop funnels. I would love to, just be able to share it with you if you guys want to plug in your affiliate offers or whatever you're doing. I would share that with you. Just comment down below. I will send you the share link for drop funnels. So the last thing I want to cover is just what to do inside your videos. I'm not going to go through, there's no like set thing that you need to do inside these videos, but the one thing I do like to do in videos is actually mention that there is a link in the bio that they can go to either sign up or purchase like the ebook. Make sure they know what to do. So let me show you a quick example. There is a video down here where I've driven a lot of traffic to. So the video that right there in the middle, not the cat video, the one to the right of it where it says 84 of 100 spots left. If I click on that, inside this video at the end, I mentioned that there's a link in the bio that they need to go to that link, open up a browser, either purchase or sign up for whatever offer that I'm promoting. If you click on the comments here right above where it says 419, if you click on the comments, you can see I've responded to almost everybody's comment. So that's one thing you really want to do inside the comments is to respond to everybody. You see here, I want to learn, please help. I want in, me please. So I respond with, a link to my bio. Some people don't know where to sign up. They don't understand what the link means. So you want to explain that to them. I don't need to go into really any more detail. Just know that you should be mentioning it in your videos, and then you should be commenting. I wish you could pin your comments like you can in YouTube, but you can't. You have to pretty much respond to everybody. Make sure you comment. You're the first one to comment, with a link inside, so they know where to go. So that's pretty much it. That's really what's been driving 98% of my traffic. It's all organic. I'm not doing any paid ads yet, but that's just one effective method that has been working for me over the past 6 months. And if you guys are not on TikTok yet, I highly encourage you to start utilizing it, monetizing it, and making money with it. So if you guys have any more questions on TikTok or any affiliate offers or creating a landing page for TikTok, please comment down below. Like and subscribe this channel if this is your first time here, and if you've made it through to the end of the video here, congratulations and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.